Today I'm going to show you a real easy, quick, and efficient way of hanging a pre-hung door. So stay with me. What we're using is called the quick door hanger. It's a product I ran into last year, a couple years ago, because we were installing a ton of doors. These little clips, and we'll be attaching them to the door frame and then setting the door frame in, and I'll show you how we use these to plumb and level the door. These are really great. Contractors use them because they're fast, but I want to show you homeowners this because it makes it easier to hang, plumb, and level the door. So let's get right to it. I'll show you what we do. So we're going to put 6 of these clips on one door, and I'm going to show you the location of them. So on the hinge side, it's got this big hole in it, and put that over top of the center screw. And put a few screws in there to hold it into place. It's important that on the hinge side that these clips go right where the hinges belong, because that's where all of the force and stress on the door is going to be, right there. So put one on top of each hinge. Now on this side here, we're just going to put 3 of them in. Now, this is where the doorknob is and latch is going to be. And we're going to put this just above it, because if we put a deadbolt in it, we don't want it to interfere with the deadbolt, but we want it close to where the latch is going to be. So anywhere there is going to be fine. Because again, that's where the biggest stress on the door is always going to be here where the latch is. Okay, so once you have these on, so our next step is to set the door into place. And you can actually let it sit right on the floor. So at this point, you want to put a level here at the top of the door frame. And this tells me that this side here is going to come up just a hair. So our floor is a little off level. So I'm going to lift this up just a hair on here. And I'm going to put a screw inside this clip. Now I haven't completely tightened it down yet. I want to make sure it's perfectly level. Put the level up here. That looks pretty good. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to put in the rest of the screws. Tight. And before you put the other side in, a little trick I learned. I want to maintain a gap over here. So here, where the door is, this is the clip that I pulled off of this the latch, and I'm just going to put it in there. So with this clip in here, I've got myself a little bit of space here, and that's pushed the hinges over just a bit. so I can put these screws in. With this gap here, it's going to make sure that the door is not going to bind. Now we can open the door. Nice.
Shut up and sit down.
Okay, so that looks like it's hung pretty good. That's basically all it took. We'll put these other screws in there just to make sure. Now what I'm looking at is I'm looking at this gap here and the gap down the bottom, and I want them to be the same. Now it looks like this should go in a bit more here, so I'm going to loosen off this bottom one. Right? I'm going to push it over just a hair, and then I'm going to tighten it back from there. And that's okay. And I can put this in here. And we're going to look at the other side as well. And make sure that this gap stays pretty good. And as you can see the bottom again. We got to pull the bottom out. And one more in here. That's okay. It makes these quick install, the quick door hanger. Makes it really good. I just turned it normally, 35-40 minute job into 10 minutes. That was simple. That's it. I hope this helps. If you got something from this, then give us a thumbs up, hit the like, subscribe. We got other kind of stuff like this going on, and a whole bunch of fun stuff that we do on the side. Yeah, guess we're going to do the doorknob.